Hi everyone, I'm Lisbeth. Thank you for tuning in on Moseholm Yoga. This yoga routine is a perfect way to start your day. Get the body-breath connection going. Move your whole body, let the energy flow and feel good. To begin with, just find a comfortable seated position. However you sit nice and tall. You can let your hands rest to your thighs and close your eyes for a moment. Just take a moment to settle on your yoga mat. Letting your attention drift a bit deeper inwards. Guiding your focus to your heartbeat. Take a deep breath in by your nose. And a long, slow breath out your mouth. Deep breath in to fill you up. And a long, slow breath out. Softening, relax. Deep breath in. Create some space. Open up. And long, slow breath out, releasing any tension you might hold in your body. Just simply notice how the breath is moving your body. Every inhale and every exhale as they come and go. As well as you notice any sensations as they might come and go. Simply pay attention to how you feel. No judgments. Deep breath in. And long, slow breath out. From here, all together, we take another deep breath in, letting your arms float out to the sides and all the way up high. At the top, bring your palms together, close your eyes, and bring your thumbs to your heartbeat. Take another deep breath in. And a long, slow breath out. Just softening. And then letting your hands rest to your thighs. And gently open your eyes. From here, you make your way to all four, on your hands and your knees. You can spread your fingers nice and wide as you press them towards the yoga mat, and then just start moving your body, moving your spine, however it feels good to move. And be aware of how you move your body right from the center, right from the middle, and the rest of the body just comes along for the ride. You can round your back, you can arch it, you can move a bit from one side to the other. Just simply shift the body weight right and left, forward and back, moving right from the center. Moving however it feels good for you to move here. If it feels nice, you can walk your knees a few steps backwards, lowering down your hips for a nice up dog. You can bend your elbows a bit more. Just roll a bit around. Release any tension there might be, anything that might feel a bit stuck. Make sure you just let the energy flow. On an inhale, you can straighten your arms, lift up your chest, and then lift your hips, tuck your toes, and make your way to your downward facing dog. And as well here, just taking your time, getting into your down dog. Adjust the position of your hands and your feet. Make sure you have plenty of space between your feet so you're movable. You can let your hips sway a bit side to side if that feels good. Maybe a bit of a walk on the spot. You can even bend your elbows one at a time if that feels nice. Just taking your time getting into your upside down position. Relax your neck. On an inhale, you lift up nice and high to your tippy toes, lift your hips up high. And exhale, softening your heels back down towards the ground. 2 more times on an inhale, lift up nice and high to your tippy toes. And exhale, softening your heels to the ground. 1 more time on an inhale, lift up nice and high. And exhale, easy down. From here, you roll your body weight forward into a plank pose, maybe a bit of a rock side to side. Just breathe in. On an inhale again, you lift up your hips, coming back to your down dog. 2 more times, inhale, you roll forward into a plank pose, just rock a bit from one side to the other. Inhale, lift up your hips, coming back to your down dog. 1 more time on an inhale, roll forward into a plank pose. Just rock a bit from one side to the other. And then you, on an inhale, take a lean towards your left side. Exhale, roll back for the center to the right side into a side plank, lifting up your left arm in the air, open up. You can have your feet stacked or unstacked. You can lift up the top leg if it feels even better. Or maybe step your top foot a small step behind you to just open up a bit more. Breathe in. Again, coming back to your plank in the middle. Just rock a bit from one side to the other. Now take a lean towards your right side on an inhale. As you exhale, roll back for the center to the left side into a side plank, lifting up your right arm in the air. Any version of a side plank you prefer. Or maybe stepping your top foot a small step behind you to open up a bit more. Breathe in. Again, back to your plank in the middle, both hands to the ground. Lowering your knees, your hips down for your up dog. You can rock a bit from one side to the other. Straightening your arms, lift up your chest. Lift your hips, bring your hips to your heels into a child's pose. Taking a few deep breaths here. Maybe gentle sway side to side. On an inhale again, you lift up your hips. Tuck your toes and make your way back to your down dog. Breathe in deep. From here, you take a stroll to the top of your yoga mat, just one easy step at a time. As you reach the top, just bend your knees, let your torso fold over your legs. And for a moment, you can step your feet to your palms, bringing your hands down. Palms facing up. Stepping your feet to your palms just to have a nice little stretch of your wrist. Just a few deep breaths. Again, softly bend your knees, release your hands. From here, as you inhale, you roll up to stand, one vertebra at a time. Open up your arms out to the side to reach to the sky. And exhale, bend your knees and again just fold over your legs. 2 more times on an inhale, you roll up to stand. Opening out and reach up tall. And exhale again, just bend your knees, fold over your legs. 1 more time on an inhale, you roll up to stand, one vertebra at a time. Opening out, reach up tall, keep lifting up your chest, reach your arms back. And exhale, bend your knees, again just fold over your legs. Placing your hands to the ground, making your way back to your down dog. Just breathe in deep. From here, lean your body weight to the left side. On an inhale, lift up your right leg to the sky nice and high. And as you exhale, you step your right foot between your hands. Press your feet against the ground. Inhale takes you up tall, lift your arms in the air. And exhale, soften halfway down. 2 more times, inhale to fill up. Exhale, easy down. 1 more time, inhale takes you up tall. And exhale into your warrior 2. Spin your back foot and heel down, bend your front knee. Relax your shoulders and just keeping your gaze soft. Take a deep breath in to fill up, let your arms float up nice and high. And exhale, easy down, warrior 2. 2 more times, inhale takes you up nice and high. And exhale, easy down. One more time, inhale to fill you up. And exhale, warrior two, grounding. On an inhale, lean back, reverse warrior. You can stretch the front leg. And exhale, coming forward, keep going forward all the way into your warrior three. Lifting up your left leg, feel the balance in your right foot. From here, you softly bend your knees as you roll up to stand, bringing your left knee with you on the way. Give it a squeeze. You can rock your hip. You can open out to the side. And if you want, you can grab your toe, your foot, your heel, just straighten out your leg if that feels good. Just opening up. But just where you are today, what feels good. If bending the knee feels better, just stay there. From here, you're coming into a dancer's pose. So you bend your knee. You hold your left foot from the inside with your left hand, reaching your right arm in front of you, letting your left leg glide back behind you, just diving into your dancer. Breathe in deep. Yeah, beautiful. Again, from your dancer's pose, coming back to the center, maybe give your knee one more squeeze. And then you dive back down for your warrior three, stretching out your left leg. Step your left foot back to the ground, lift yourself up tall and into your warrior two. Inhale to lean back, reverse. And exhale, coming forward, both hands to the ground. And step back to your down dog. Taking a few deep breaths. From here, take a lean to your right side. On an inhale, lift up your left leg to the sky nice and high. And exhale, step your left foot between your hands. Pressing your feet against the ground, inhale takes you up nice and high. And exhale, easy halfway down. Two more times, inhale to fill up. And exhale, easy down. One more time, inhale takes you up tall. And exhale into your warrior two, spinning your back foot and heel down, bend your front knee, bring your arms out to the side, just taking your space. Take another deep breath in that fills you up. And exhale, easy down, warrior two. Two more times, just simply moving with your breath. Letting the inhale fill you up. And exhale, easy down. One more time, inhale takes you up nice and high. And exhale, warrior two, take your space. Inhale to lean back, reverse warrior. You can stretch the front leg. And exhale, coming forward, keep going forward all the way into your warrior three. Lifting up your right leg. Softly bend your knees as you roll up to stand. Bringing your right knee with you on the way. You can give it a squeeze. Maybe rock your hip a little. Maybe open out to the side. And again, if it feels good, you can hold your foot, your heel, your toe. Straighten out your right leg. Just open up here if that feels good. Breathe in. But again, if it feels better with a bended knee, just keep your knee in a bend. Listen to your body. When you're ready, you bend your knee, you're coming into your dancer's pose, holding your right foot from the inside with your right hand, letting your left arm glide in front of you and your right leg back behind you. Just opening up. Breathe in deep. Again, coming back to the center. Woohoo. And once you lose your balance, you just find it again. Coming back up, grabbing your right foot, maybe give it a squeeze, maybe rock the hip a little. So amazed by the birds coming. From here again, you roll back down for your warrior three. Stretching out your right leg and step your right foot back down to the ground, lift yourself up tall. And into your warrior two. So sometimes we just lose the balance. You just find it again. From here, inhale, lean back, reverse. And exhale, coming forward, both hands to the ground. And step back to your down dog. Breathe in deep. From your down dog, you roll forward into a plank pose. Maybe rock a bit from one side to the other. Lowering your knees, your hips down for your up dog. Just a few deep breaths. Maybe bend your elbows, come down a bit lower. Straightening your arms, lift up your chest. And then lift your hips, bring your hips to your heels into a child's pose. Taking a few deep breaths. On an inhale, you roll up to sit on your heels. Relax your shoulders back and down. Take a deep breath in, let your arms float out to the sides and all the way up high. At the top, bring your palms together, close your eyes, and bring your thumbs to your heartbeat. Take another deep breath in, and a long, slow breath out. Just letting your hands rest to your thighs. Just simply notice how you feel. No judgment. Notice your heart pumping. And thank yourself for taking your time for your yoga practice today. Thank you for sharing your time and your energy. And when you're ready, you can gently open your eyes. Namaste. Thank you for watching Moseholm Yoga. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Also on our website moseholmyoga.com, you can subscribe to our newsletter.